Welcome back to SEOCurrent, your go-to source for the best marketing strategies to grow your business. Today, we're diving into something exciting: how AI, artificial intelligence, can revolutionize your marketing and help you skyrocket your business growth. Whether you're a startup or an established brand, AI is the game changer you need. With SEOCurrent, we're here to help you discover how leveraging AI can bring remarkable results to your business. So, let's get into it. Personalized customer experiences. First up, AI helps deliver personalized customer experiences. Gone are the days of generic ads and campaigns. AI allows businesses to gather customer data and analyze their behavior in real time. You can create targeted, relevant marketing messages that speak directly to each customer's needs. Brands using AI are seeing a 20% increase in customer engagement. That's because AI tools can predict what your customers are looking for, improving their overall experience with your business. Automated email marketing. Another area where AI shines is in automated email marketing. AI can segment your audience, analyze engagement rates, and even send personalized emails at the right time. With this, your open rates and conversion rates can dramatically improve. Imagine sending thousands of customized emails without lifting a finger. Tools like MailChimp and HubSpot are already using AI to enhance email campaigns. AI-powered content creation. Content is king in marketing, and AI can help you create engaging, SEO-optimized content faster. From generating blog posts to social media captions, AI tools like Jasper AI and Copy.ai can help you come up with relevant content in minutes. By analyzing trending topics, keywords, and even your competitors' content, AI ensures your marketing content stays fresh, relevant, and engaging. Predictive analytics and insights. Ever wish you had a crystal ball to predict your customer's next move? Well, AI-powered predictive analytics comes close. These tools analyze historical data and trends to predict future outcomes, helping you make informed marketing decisions. With tools like Google Analytics AI, you can identify which marketing strategies will give you the best ROI before you even launch them. Chatbots and customer support. Finally, let's talk about AI-powered chatbots. These little helpers can handle customer queries 24/7, ensuring your customers get fast responses without needing human intervention. Whether it's answering FAQs, guiding users through the sales funnel, or handling complaints, chatbots are incredibly effective. With AI chatbots, businesses report a 30% increase in customer satisfaction and a 40% reduction in customer service costs. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's transforming the way we approach marketing. From personalizing customer experiences to automating tasks, improving content, and predicting market trends, AI gives your business a massive edge in today's competitive landscape. At SEOCurrent, we're here to help you leverage the power of AI to grow your business. Ready to take the next step? Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep innovating and growing with SEOCurrent.